Is this human nature? Is this our natural state? Well, it's kind of self-evident. Think about it. If all of the stuff, all of the effort that is put in daily through the media, through everything that we see on the news, everything that we're seeing through sports, and everything that we're seeing constantly in advertising, everything that's pushed in our face all the time over and over and over again, if all of that wasn't there, would we be doing and operating in the same way? Would we be stricken with fear? Would we be constantly, seeing separation between everybody, judging everybody based on what they're doing, based on what they're wearing, based on how they're acting? All of this stuff is constantly needing to be there all of the time, because if it wasn't there, we would go back to our natural state. We would naturally fall back right into who we truly are. That's why we see this happen so much. That's why there's such a huge level of effort put into keeping all of this stuff sustained. If you look at the economy, if you look at the way the world functions, it needs so much for it to stay sustained, because it is completely against how we are and how we would function as natural human beings. And that's why we're seeing all this. That's why we're having all of this effort. If it was gone, the world would be a completely different place. And that's why there's so much fear created around, if the system drops, what's going to happen? What's going to happen if the system's dropped? Because they know that the moment it drops, the moment people aren't affected by the system anymore, is the moment they'll go back to their natural state and begin operating in a way that is cooperative, in a way that is community-based, where everybody is helping each other out in moving forward.
I know you're out there. I can feel you now. I know that you're afraid. You're afraid of us. You're afraid of change. I don't know the future. I didn't come here to tell you how this is going to end. I came here to tell you how it's going to begin. I'm going to hang up this phone, and then I'm going to show these people what you don't want them to see. I'm going to show them a world without you. A world without rules and controls, without borders or boundaries. A world where anything is possible. Where we go from there is a choice I leave to you.